Intro, take 2.
Pete Leahy here. I've got some more wings. This time we've got some wing bar buffalo style bone-in wings. Just let me compose myself here.
Of course.
Okay. Alright, you Mad Wings lovers know that once you get into the box, the good stuff comes in here. So let's open this up, and then we're going to microwave these guys because honestly I can't really wait. Pop them into this dirty microwave here. Leave those uncovered, and let's give them 3 minutes. We'll be back with hot wings. Okay, we're going to defrost our sauce pack in this marginally dirty sink here. So just heat up the water, and then just run it under the hot water in the bowl, and then it'll start thawing like immediately. It's the coolest thing. It's like science. But delicious. Okay, so these are pretty much close enough, so we're gonna go ahead and get them out. Cut open our sauce packet and just add about half of it, not the whole pack, because, well, that was a little more than half, but it's okay because I love this sauce. And then I'm gonna put the lid on, and then somebody microwave this with the lid on? Dumbasses. Dang it. Shake it up. Hopefully not break anything. Oh my gosh, those look great. I'm gonna add a little more sauce because I like it saucy. Bon appetit! Alright, so the best part of any meal preparation is actually just eating the meal. Which isn't even part of the meal preparation, so I don't know why I said that. So, those are to die for. Those are really good. I'm Pete Leahy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, bones are the best.